This is the lake from the records. The satellite data confirms it. This is the crash site. Let's zoom in on these coordinates. There's the shape of the Chinook, matches the records, marking the point. These are the exact coordinates of the lake. This route through the forest is our best access. The elevation works for the heavy lifting gear. Are the heavy hoists ready? Loaded and secured. Diving gear checked. All tanks are full. Are the air tanks and diving gear fully secured? Everything is locked down and ready. GPS coordinates are matching. Waypoint confirmed. This is the final access point. Coordinates match perfectly. Surface is completely clear. Depth looks right for a heavy pull. We have a visual on the Chinook. The cockpit glass is completely shattered. Heavy algae and corrosion are everywhere. Slowly does it. Watch the alignment on the left. All right, it looks good. Let's check stability. All right, she's finally here. Let's assess the structural damage first. Now, slow tension. Heavy corrosion is visible across the entire fuselage. We have stressed riveted joints and bent frames here. The engine mounts show severe saltwater damage. Let's focus on unbolting the main rotor hub first. Label every single bracket and fitting. All right, clear the mounts. Easy does it, lower it down. The exterior mud is clearing up. Severe corrosion on the housing. This turbine stage shows severe pitting. The compressor shaft is within limits. Let's verify these part numbers before we begin. Perfect alignment on number 2. Excellent. Lock it down to spec. Both engines are ready for install. Let's strip it down to the bare metal. Check the rivet pitch on that panel. We need to verify the engine mount spacing. Aligning the nacelle pins now. This panel alignment looks perfect. Coverage looks good, keep it overlapping. Hold it right there, align the pins. Let's verify the cockpit assembly. Excellent work, she is visually complete. Check the transmission fluid level. Copy that, filling it to factory specs now. Engine oil pressure system is pre-lubed and ready. Master baton, voltage normal, avionics initialized. Starting engine 1. Gen on, starting engine 2. All systems normal. Copy that, continuing the run. She is finally ready for departure. Structure and markings are verified. Engines are ready for flight. Project complete. Project complete. We have fully restored this CH-47 Chinook. Every system is ready for service.